Lesson. What up? Love. I yell the world up on my shoulders. Just feel like a bonus. Put them in my shoes, most of them would've just folded. Thought I lost the juice, turns out now I'm just reloaded. Giving y'all a warning, let this song serve as a notice. Never been a novice though, travel like a Navajo. Will I ever make it? Well, depends on who you asking, bro. Calculate my passion in times about my drive, and add it to the fact I could've signed a couple times, but wasn't really right. They try to shape me in their mind to the image that the masses would've loved, I would've shined. But still I would've hated what I see, so what's the purpose? Sacrifice your dignity for fame, is it worth it? I'd rather do it my way, hit the lab and get to working. This ain't about no image, ain't no fraud, I pull the curtains. Show y'all all my faults and let y'all know I'm still worthy. And do it in a hurry, I feel like I check out early, cause this life ain't nothing sweet. Dirt up on my sneaks, I've been at this grind for weeks. This journey ain't for the weak. Tragedy's been hitting, but for me won't hear a peep. They told me how I act is gonna reflect on how I think, and I think I'm gonna make it. Think I persevere, the idea of being gone before I do it is my fear. Before I make decisions, I make sure my head is clear. Relying on myself and not advice that's in my ear. Look, ain't too many peers, none of this still here. I've been doing this for years, this is all that it appears. Inspiration and grind, motivation and shine, dedication and mind. I'll make it up in due time. It's doing this on my own accord. Well, I'm acting like I've been known before, cause the luxury of lying something I can't afford. Feel like something like a lion heart when I press record. I'm proclaiming it, I'm pounding it till my chest is sore. Don't feel like the race is anywhere near where I'm headed. You can bet the bank on it if I'm the one who said it. Realest rapper in it, keep it 100 authentic. If not, then I'm working for it. Just say I'm being prophetic. Ain't no way around it, this game is mine for the taking. They used to being attracted to rappers who steady faking, gossiping on the track, compensate for the fact that they really ain't really real. I spotted that from the back. Used to rap about home and putting sack on the map. Now it's more about how do I plan on giving this back. All this knowledge I learned, my people know it's a fact. This way I'm leaving my mark, I'm independent from scratch. What up?
Yeah.
Hey, yo, my name is Shaq. That's a little bit about me.
Sacramento.
Now that y'all know me, I'm gonna let y'all know about